Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. Today inflation is the game. Welcome to the first ever edition of Pump Wars. Yep, this is the Outdoor Master Shark 3. This is the top pump. I can never remember the model number. I'll put that on the screen just up there. And this is the AIRBANK Pulse Pro, one of the tiniest. Just done a review on that on this channel. What we want to know today is which is fastest. But how can you test that, Carl, I hear you ask? That is a damn good question. You might remember the banana catamaran from a recent review on this channel and from the group kayak camp meet that we've just had. What we've got here is two chambers, each inflate to 3 psi, one pump either side. Let's see which inflates to 3 psi fastest. Let's do it! First up, the Outdoor Master Shark 3 versus the top pump. Each of these are set to 3 psi. Go! It does look like the top pump might be taking the edge, doesn't it? Bearing in mind we're on a little bit of an angle here and that could be skewing the look. Oh, I'm going to have to move in. The top pump has taken that, the Outdoor Master has taken that for the win. The top pump has just finished. Nice! Winner! Next up, the Shark versus the AIRBANK Pulse Pro. Are we on? We're on. Let's go. So it does look like the Pulse Pro, the little one, is actually taking a hefty early lead. Wow. Unbelievable, the Pulse Pro, the little one, has won over the Shark. The Shark's still going, 2.67893. Wow, I did not see that coming. Well, got to compare the Pulse Pro now with the top pump. Next up, we've got top pump versus AIRBANK. Go! Once again, the AIRBANK looks like it's taking an early lead. Look at that. Done. So the AIRBANK Pulse Pro is completed. Top pump 1.92. Still getting there. Yeah. I did not see that coming. I did not see that as being faster than those. Really didn't. Did not see that coming at all. Wow, it's just finished. That for me is unbelievable. This little thing, the little AIRBANK Pulse Pro, the smallest out of the two, top pump there, Shark Outdoor Master 3 there, and this one, absolutely dumbstruck. Winner! And this ends the first edition of Pump Wars. There may be more, who knows? Anyway, you know what to do if you like what I'm doing on this channel in terms of liking, subscribing, sharing. And I'll put links to all of these pumps in the pinned comment and description. What I would say is, I think there's a lot of horses for courses with pumps. That is a great travel pump. In fact, it looks like it might be a great all-rounder. You know, if you're doing trips and you need something relatively lightweight, 900 grams. That's just a good general pump. I do like it. It's still relatively light. And these, for me, I've always really liked these. Even though they're beastly, they are really good at high drop stitch pressure because they just handle it well. Anyway, that's all for now, as I say. Cheerio.